If you're running a Shopify store, one of the things you need to making sure you're doing is accurately tracking conversions. That means making sure that your conversions are feeding the right data from Shopify into your Google ads and making sure that your analytics isn't over-reporting. Now, the reason why most people don't do this is it is actually really hard for the average person to understand the code that's to feed this data into Google ads. And there's some funky stuff that's going on with Google Analytics because of the way that Shopify is set up. Now, in this video, I'll try to explain a little bit about how it works and how you can start accurately tracking that. So let's begin. Now, the way Shopify works is it grabs your Universal Analytics ID straight out of the code that you implement via the Preferences page. Now, this is great for most tracking solutions, but in order for us to track the conversions properly without whilst adding the G tag code and allowing us to, fire the pixel, we need to make some modifications to how it works. So in order to do that, we need to add a little bit of Shopify code. So this thing here called if first time accessed and then diffed, we're going to wrap it around that. So what that does is it means that this code will only fire on the first time that someone visits the page, which means that we're not going to be getting double conversions because it does appear on the order status page. Now, what we want to do, because this comes across from Google Analytics and often people will put the tag in twice from having it in their Google Ads account. So we want to make a couple of modifications. In this one, we want to change this to your Google Analytics code for the G tag. We want to make sure that we're not sending an additional page view, so we don't want to be tracking this conversion twice because we're already tracking it through the Shopify store natively. And we want to make sure it's configured to work with the AdWords account. Now, this is where we need to do some extra work. So when you're in your Google AdWords and getting the conversion code, you're going to pull that in and add it here. This looks like your normal AdWords conversion code. But what we want to do is make a couple of changes to pull in the code from Shopify itself. So that's where we use what's called Liquid, which is the coding language that Shopify is built on to pull in this stuff dynamically. We're going to pull in the checkout price, so the value of the sale, and we're going to pull in without the currency. We want to pull in the currency, so whatever the shop currency is down here, and the transaction ID, so we can track that directly to the order that's been made. And that's pretty much it. You want to take this, edit this code, take it to your where is it? Take it to your settings and your checkout. Go settings, checkout, additional scripts. I'll pull this through for you. Checkout, scroll down to additional scripts, paste that in and click on save and you're done. That's how we get the conversion tracking set up properly so it measures the conversion the first time. Anyways, I hope it's been helpful. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like it, share it, and speak to you all in the next video.